And we're rolling now. Okay, so our first task is you were walking with a friend recently and you saw a flyer hanging on the wall, and I'll show you an example of what that looks like. And your friend saw you take a picture of this flyer and said, gee, I'd really like to. He was thinking about it afterwards. He said, I'm interested in that study too. Could you text me the information from that?
Okay.
And what you want to do is you have a new app on your phone. It's called Get Text.
Yeah.
And its idea is it should be able to allow you to extract and send the text instead of actually sending the entire picture.
Right.
So that's what we're going to try to do. So, cool. As you can see, you've got the text there from your friend. We started off.
All right, John. Hey, can you send me the details about the rejection study? You took a photo of the flyers. Yeah. Cool.
So the first thing I'm going to have you do, notice the little circle there that says home?
Yeah.
That's your fake home button, which we're going to use through this so we don't leave the experience. So,
that's smart. Okay.
So go ahead and do what you would normally do to
go to home.
And you can see there's a very simple home page here.
Sure. Yeah.
And so you've only got two apps.
So there's message and there's Get Text. Think aloud, right? So I noticed Get Text is not a square, but whatever. So I click on it, and then there's import new photos with text settings, chicken tikka masala. I don't know if chicken tikka masala was an image that was previously used within this app, or is it just something that I added to my library earlier. I can understand like why someone would do this to a recipe, so I know that it has some sort of function, but I don't know how to add the current photo of this. So maybe. Okay.
Do you see anything there that gives you an idea?
So I'll go to import new probably, and then I'll click that. Importing new photos with text. So that's loading. Theory is when you. I think that's the one that the flyer we're talking about. Is that the same one? The theory is when you. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. Rejection study. Sorry. I thought the bottom was the same chicken tikka masala recipe. So I click on the rejection study. So rejection study, seeking participants, same flyer. So I notice is the rescan at the bottom. Rejection study, seeking participants, is the same information. So that's I guess the text format. So I do select all plus copy, and I guess it's copied to my clipboard, and then I can. I guess I can text my friend then. So I'd go to home button, go to messages probably, click here, hit paste it. Is that it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Well, we're going to do one other quick task while we're here.
Sure.
Notice that the fake home button is showing up again.
Yeah.
You remember when you imported the rejection study, another thing came in also.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if.
What was that? So let's go back and look at that.
Okay. So I'll go to home. I'll go in the app itself. Now there are 3 images. That's a bit confusing, but yeah. Theory is when you that one.
Yeah.
Should I click on that?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. So I click on that, and then I see this text. It correlates with the image, so I know it's this like it's copied properly. And that's I think the thing.
So this could happen if you took a picture of something and it's got some text on it, but you didn't think about you just took a picture of this sign because maybe you thought it was funny or something.
Sure.
And then, but now you're thinking, well, I don't need to have this hanging around in this app, and I don't need this text.
Okay.
Do you think you know how you would get rid of it?
So I don't want to use that anymore. So just click on the remove at the top, and remove from photos with text. Okay, I'm happy the information tells me that it's going to remove it from the software but not from the iPhone, because that was my main thing, because the app's name is photos with text, and as I started to read I was like, oh shit, is it going to delete? And I was like, wait, photos with text is the app's name, then I have to like remember. So yeah, sure. Okay, so I guess it's gone.
Okay, it's gone. Okay, cool. So why don't you let me have the phone for a second. I'll set us up for our next test. Okay, so you get another message from your friend John. He's always asking you to do stuff. And
Hey,
he remembered you guys were sitting in a presentation recently, and there was a slide that had some really good suggestions for
Yeah.
what you could do on a portfolio. That's exactly what the slide looks like.
Okay.
And he remembered you took a picture of it. He was hoping you could send that information to him.
Yeah. So yeah, I'd go to home, go to get text, I'd go to import new. I think nothing's gonna show up because you want me to take a photo, but yeah, nothing's there. So is that it? That's it, right? Yeah. What's good? Oh, it is there. Okay, cool. Okay. So select all, and then home, messages, paste, send.
Okay, we're going to do one other quick thing, and then
Yeah.
we'll be done with this, which is you may have noticed that you got more than one picture when
Yeah.
you imported. Let's go take a look and see what else came in this time.
So I'm gonna get text, and then there's a Georgia plate, and yeah.
Yeah, in fact, what this was is you had taken a picture of your license plate.
Sure.
And does anything? Tell you what, go ahead and tap on that one.
On
Which one
the
you think the license plate is?
this one, Georgia. Got
Now, is there anything that looks unusual about that? Or
about
unexpected, I guess I should say.
this part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't follow the order, and it's converting it from like a graphic design to like a text-based design. That's a bit difficult to sort of manipulate and show accurately, I guess, unless you have like a table view and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess part of it is, yeah, as humans, when we look at this, our attention is called to the much larger text.
Yeah, for sure.
And we know that's the important piece of information.
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
Whereas this is, it's just
All text.
top to
That makes
bottom,
sense,
left to
yeah.
right. So it makes sense, but if you think about how you might use this in here, you think, it might not be bad to have just the license plate here to, copy and paste into a form or something like that.
Sure.
All the rest of the stuff maybe you don't need.
Yeah, I just need a license
Can
plate.
you think that there's a way to edit that and just to make sure there's only the license plate left?
So I'd go to the bottom, and then I'd backspace all, but I can't do that. So
Oh.
maybe I'd
Yeah,
I'd click
the
on-
scroll doesn't work very well. In
Okay.
fact, the scroll does not work. in
So
this
I'd click on the top. Wait, yes, I deleted that. Then I can cut it. That yeah.
Okay. So what would you do now?
I'd save it, I guess. So it's saved, and then I select all copy. And wait, am I sending this to a friend?
Oh,
No.
You're not sending it.
All right,
now.
cool.
The one thing is, why don't you go ahead and hit the
All.
the all.
Okay. Okay, so that's updated. That's cool. I'm wondering with the other information window if I might need that in the future or not, but I guess it's okay. If I removed it, it should be whatever. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna stop.